there, Sandra here from Create in Spain, and today I have an unusual card. Yes, it's a retirement card. I don't normally do retirement cards because I don't have a reason to, but a friend of mine recently did have calls and was asking me for ideas. Hi Alison. So I came up with this one. Just a little bit of humour. Apparently the lady in question likes fashion and shoes and sparkly things, so I thought this was quite appropriate. So this is really simple, so I'm not giving you a tutorial on how to actually do it. The time for a sparkly retirement was actually handwritten. The colouring was done with alcohol markers, and I went over the top of some of the slippers with some sparkly pens. I used the Sakura Moonlight pens to go over it and add some extra detail. I've put some gems on the slippers but not on the other ones because I wanted the focal point to be the centre. And I put some more gems around this strip too. So yes, a nice, relatively easy card to do. I've propped the front up with foam and it still isn't very bulky. It would post quite easily. Now, before you race away, let me tell you that I have got the file down below, a link as normal, SVG, and I've made it design space compatible. Hopefully that won't mess up the people who aren't using design space. So let me know in the comments below if it does. The other thing is, in the file I have given you a choice of sentiments for retirement. I haven't put them in a particular font, I've just written them in there so you can do what you want with them font wise. And the other thing that I have done is I have included some images for print and cut for some different slippers. So if you want to do a print and cut, you can. Now this particular file, although I used my silver bullet to draw all these and then coloured them in, I've made it so that you could actually cut the slippers out and layer them up if that's what you want to do. So there we go, a really quick video, and I hope you enjoy the file. Now, the other thing that I wanted to mention is that I'm looking for people to collaborate with. I'm looking for people who want to gain a few more followers on YouTube, people who perhaps have only got a relatively small following, they just need a little bit of exposure. And what I want is to arrange to have one of your videos on my channel, and then of course I can link to your channel, and then you'll hopefully get a bit more exposure than you would normally. Now, the proviso on that is that in your introduction I will need you to actually mention that that is what is going on, because the last thing I need is YouTube saying you've got a copyright strike because this is the same as someone else's video, and that will erase that problem, hopefully. So if you're interested in that idea too, get in touch via my email, createinspain@gmail.com. Take care now. Bye bye.